It's okay there, my dear, just relax. Come sit here, that's the way how this life goes. For now I'll stick around till you turn your frown around, and you'll know by then that my love is not pretend, and I'll be right here with you till the end. Oh hey, how are you? How is school treating you? Then you said they are bullying you. Then you told me the rest, why your day was not the best. Then I hugged you and said, it's okay there, my dear, just relax. Come sit here, that's the way how this life goes. For now I'll stick around till you turn your frown around, and you'll know by then that my love is not pretend, and I'll be right here with you till the end. Oh hey there, my dear, here grab a beer, tell your pops the highlight of your day. Then you told me the rest, why your day was not the best. Then I hugged you and said, it's okay there, my dear, just relax. Come sit here, that's the way how this life goes. For now I'll stick around till you turn your frown around, and you'll know by then that my love is not pretend, and I'll be right here with you till the end. Hey Pops, how are you? It's okay, don't try to move. The doctors will fix you soon. Son, I'm afraid that I won't be around. Turn your frown around, 'cause I'll be right here with you forever.